Can you give me insight of clubs that have contacted you so far?
You have Mediema, Hasselfolk, Nation, and even Kotoko, and the Dreams FC.
Was it the previous Kotoko management that called you before they left, or?
The management that they called me before they left.
Oh, okay.
So the new one, I don't know, they have not called, but they also that they were there that they called.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. So it's possible that you might be in the Ghana Premier League next season. It's also possible that you might not be in the Ghana Premier League. So nothing has been decided.
Yeah, nothing has decided. So I don't want to promise, and I don't want to say anything now.
I understand.
Yes,
So
unless
this proves that
everything is done.
Yeah, this proves that you are also having talks with clubs outside the country.
That's what people are saying, that a lot of teams coming from outside the country. So, but you'll be there, and someone will send you a message, agents, I'm from this place. I don't know how they got my number. They will charge me. Oh, I'm agent. Some of them will charge me IG, Twitter, and Facebook. It's okay. They ask for my number, then I'll give it to them, because it's only a day that they used to know someone.
Okay.
Get it? So if they ask and if it's to do that, they will tell you, you don't respect, you don't do that, you don't do that, you don't.
All right.
You have to give it to the person and listen to what he brings on board. So a lot of them who chat me, they say, hey, I'm agent from this country. I want to get your offer. I say, you are on it talking to them, but you want the rare. So now you don't know what to do now. You don't know whom you are going for, or that Ghana or outside. You are just yet decided.